Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video. It's actually a beautiful 60-degree day out, so not technically a cold start, but you know the drill. We started them, it hasn't been running or driving today. We're dealing with an 07 Ford F250. It's a custom order truck Lariat with a 4x4 on the floor. 3/4 ton. This truck has got it going on. This is one that we actually did some motor work on, or actually, let me rephrase that. We outsourced the motor work to Precision Diesel for head studs, gaskets, and quite a bit of other stuff. So this truck has a pedigree on it like no other as far as under the hood goes. It is an 07 model. 188,633 on the miles. As you can see, it is cold as cold gets over there. Truck runs and drives perfect. So we got this truck. It had head studs in it already, but after we got it, we noticed it pushing a little bit of coolant, so we sent it over to Precision Diesel in Platte City, Missouri. They are a fellow friend shop of ours, Ford specialists. They went through it all. Nolan cylinder head did the heads, OEM Ford gaskets, OEM Ford oil cooler, turbo cleaning, seals, everything. It's got a huge dossier on it. It's a beautiful truck, money green, and like I said, it's a Lariat with a 4x4 on the floor, so cool little option there. 6-disc in-dash, sliding rear window, parking sensors, upfitter switches, trailer brakes, digital control climate AC, cup holders, console seating. It is a sunroof truck. A lot of great options. This truck is sweet. I love the money green two-tone paint. As far as the truck goes, we left the body pretty much stock. After all the money, we have receipts totaling over upwards of $6,000 on this truck for the motor alone. Wheels and tires. We got the new set of Cali Off-Road specialty forged 20x12s. I don't even know the name, man. These wheels just came out. But all in all, this truck's great. It's been serviced head to toe. It has all been done. We got paperwork on everything. Also, I'm going to tell you, the motor from the top end, head gasket, studs, everything has a 2-year unlimited mile warranty on all the parts. And of course, we give you all that information when you buy the truck. Let's pop the hood, walk around, and check it out. ELC coolant, new Ford fan clutch, thermostats, fuel filters, everything you want to see. OEM as well. Brand new head bolts. They don't even have surface rust or oxidization on them at all. And we'll check the blow-by, which is non-existent. Mechanically, this truck is a beast. Truck's a beast. 3/4 ton, lifted 3 inches, 20x12 Cali wheels. Now these are, I believe, are the -51 polished wheels. A lot of offset, 35 1250 amp all-terrain tires. I mean, these trucks have these wheels have a huge lip on them. I mean, they are sweet. They got a lot of stance to them, as you can see. We didn't do big fender flares. We left the OEM ones on there. Little bit of like bugs, oxidization on that front paint, fading just a tiny bit. The truck's pretty clean all in all. It's got a couple little dingers in it, one of which I'm seeing, you can see right here. Just a little dent. It's not huge. It's PDR-able for sure. It's not a rusty truck. It's got a little scuff in the paint there. You can hardly see it. I'm sure that one would probably buff out pretty decent. Tinted windows. No rust on the bed rail crossover. Little surface, but not like you usually see in the Midwest here. It's not crumbling out by any means. Really nice looking crossbars, actually. It's got a bed liner. It's never had a ball in it. Never had a fifth wheel hitch. Very rare on these trucks to see them with no ball or fifth wheel hitch. Backup sensor bumper. Tailgate's pretty straight. You got one little dinger up here. See it in the sun, kind of. Stock exhaust, stock everything. Got a tip on it, but exhaust is stock, nice and quiet. This is about the worst one of it all right there. You can tell someone backed into a corner or something. You got a dent slightly behind it, but the flare is also broken and bulging out, so it looks, I don't know, it looks weird. But I mean, that's the worst of it. It's almost a 200,000 mile truck, 190, so not too bad at all for most condition we see. Rockers, I forgot to go to that. Rockers are nice. There's no rust on those rockers at all. Either side, the rockers, cab corner, super clean on the truck. Nice straight line on the bed there. Inside's clean. Like I said, again, sunroof truck. Beautiful rig all around. And it's got the compartments under the seats down there. You might notice I have this truck listed a little bit higher than most of the stuff we sell, being to the fact that we spent almost $7 grand on aftermarket stuff for this truck. Wheels, tires, full front end suspension service, which it got, alignment. These are the new Cali off-road wheels, so they're new to the market. You don't see them on a lot of stuff yet. But all in all, it's a sweet truck, guys. You know the deal. If you're interested, head on over to our website, 816diesel.com, 816-298-7030. That's the shop number right there. Everything's on the website though, as far as pictures, VIN number, information, anything you might need. So check it out. Let us know if you have any questions. If you want to come down or see it or drive it or check it out. My name's Cameron. I'm the guy you want to get a hold of. My phone number is 913-735-3748. That's my cell. Shoot me a text, give me a phone call, let me know how I can help. I appreciate your guys' time today, and if there's any questions, like I said, just give us a holler. Thanks.